Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the chemistry. The topic today is about pH. So I just use about basic question to illustrate how to calculate the pH. Question number 1. Find the pH of H plus in chloride acid, and the solution is 1 multiplied with 10 powers minus 4 m. So to calculate about the pH in here, we have the formula pH equal to minus logarithm base 10, and you need to put about H plus in here because in the acid you have only one hydrogen, so that this number will input in here, and we got about 1 multiplied with 10 power minus 4, and you got about minus with the minus 4 outside, and you got about 4. So this is the answer for question. Question number 2. Find the pH of the KOH. That's about hydroxide, and this is about potassium, and the solution is 1 multiplied with 10 power minus 3 m. So in this one we have pH equal to 14. 14 is about the maximum of the pH plus the logarithm, and we put about the OH in here. OH is about hydroxide, and we put about the number they provide for you, 40 plus logarithm with the 1 multiplied with 10 power minus 3, and we got about 14 minus 3, and we got about 11. 11 is higher than 7, so we call them about basic in here. This one is number 4, and they below than 7, so we call them is about acid in here. So that's why we need to learn how to do calculate about the pH. That's the end. Thank you for watching.